Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Install the Zoom app and sign in with your account before the meeting starts. Open the app and confirm you are on the latest version. Perform 3 quick checks: camera, microphone, and speaker at least 5 minutes early. Choose a quiet room and stable internet connection of at least 5 Mbps download speed. Have the meeting ID or clickable link and any required password ready ahead of time. If you need virtual background, upload a 1920 by 1080 image before joining. Click the meeting link or select Join and enter the meeting ID to connect. If you have a calendar invite, open it and tap the Join button. Choose to join with computer audio or dial in using the provided phone number. Test your audio levels using the Test Speaker and Microphone tool in the dialog. Enter the meeting password if prompted and wait in the waiting room if required. Use the checkbox to remember this device if you plan to rejoin later on the same device. Mute or unmute using the microphone button and turn video on or off with the camera icon. Use the Start Video button to enable HD video at 720p or higher if your bandwidth allows. Use Share Screen to present a specific window, entire screen, or 1920 by 1080 slideshow for clear visuals. Open participants and chat panels to manage attendees, raise hands, or send messages privately. Click Reactions to give visual feedback. End the meeting for...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.